Hello. This video explains how to log into your rewards account if you have forgotten your password. Let's get started. From the fastpark.com homepage, in the upper right corner of your browser window, you will see the words, Relax for Rewards, Sign In. Move your cursor over the sign in and click the link. This will display the Sign Into My Account screen. You will find I Forgot My Password beneath the Sign In button. Move your mouse cursor over it and click. This will display the Reset My Password screen. Enter the email address associated with your account and click the Send button. You will be emailed a link to reset your password. Once you open the email and click the link provided, you will be taken to a web page where you can reset your account password. Enter your new password in the first field. Passwords have to be at least 9 characters in length, with 1 uppercase letter and 1 number. Re-enter your new password in the field below to confirm, and click the Save New Password button. You will be taken to your account dashboard. You have now reset your account password. We're here to help if you have questions or need assistance. Contact our Relax for Rewards representatives at 1-877-806-7275 or RFR team at thefastpark.com, Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time.